Coming up in a Primetime Sports Friday, Battle Lines drawn. Montego Bay United failed to show for a mandatory meeting with the PFAJ and Portmore United. That's the technical meeting today. And St. Jago spike Wolmer's girls win streak in ISA volleyball competition. The details after this break.